According to a legal expert, this is when Ripple XRP will win the SEC lawsuit. Due to the ongoing court action between the SEC and Ripple, the native coin of Ripple, XRP, has recently gained popularity. In the crypto market, XRP has faced some tumultuous situations. Provisional, preliminary, tentative, provision. The dates have already been set. Will Ripple's case against the SEC be successful? Is this going to work? Will it be soon? Stay tuned for further information on the case. millionaires, welcome. By pressing "Let's expand the millionaire mindset community" that like button, as well as that subscribe button. Now, without further ado, let's get down to business with the primary topic. So, XRP's Black Friday came on December 22, 2020, when the SEC filed a lawsuit against it. The two executives of Ripple XRP. Ripple has been charged by Japanese securities regulators for earning nearly $1.3 billion in profit by selling unregistered securities. They were found guilty of violating Section 5 of the statute as a result of their transactions. The answer to the Securities Act of 1933 is Ripple. According to Brad Ripple, the CEO of Ripple, because XRP is not a security, it has the potential to violate securities laws. Ripple argued that, unlike most other cryptocurrencies, it is not regulated by the SEC. Because of its decentralization, Ripple is unlike any other cryptocurrency. The lawsuit is still in the hearing stages, with many sessions scheduled till today. There doesn't appear to be any convincing motivation or proof on their side, therefore everything is up in the air. It appears to be dragging. Ripple fans will have to wait till the lawsuit is resolved. I'm looking forward to the end. Meanwhile, there is a crypto enthusiast who is willing to divulge all. When the SEC lawsuit will be finished, despite the fact that these projections are unclear. It's best to rely on them because they'll be made public at that point and no one will be able to stop them. Might be able to provide some insight into the SEC lawsuit. It was recently speculated that the litigation against Ripple would not begin until 2022. By Jeremy Hogan, a brilliant thinker. Motions for summary judgment are allowed under the summary judgment rule. Within 30 days of the conclusion of discovery, a motion for summary judgment must be submitted. As a result, the parties are vying for summary judgment motions, which must be filed before the end of the year. Within 30 days of all finding being completed, which is November 16. Hogan anticipates a number of back-and-forth answers to the case if it does not settle. The case will be adjourned until November 2022 once a motion for summary judgment is filed. The lawyer claims that the SEC is unlikely to speed up the conclusion of the litigation, stating that the top regulator was recently granted a 2-month extension on the discovery process. I don't see why the SEC would rush this case. The longer it takes, the better. The better the SEC's settlement position becomes, the more agony Ripple suffers. In my practice, I see it every day because the majority of my clients are fighting big insurance companies. Nothing pleases them more than killing my clients with time, so it's a win-win situation. Hogan posts crypto enthusiasts on his YouTube channel, which is a frequent strategy. He has now stated his thoughts on the SEC's proposed crypto token regulations. His video covered every aspect of the ongoing dispute. On the channel, he discussed everything about the lawsuit. According to Jeremy Hogan, the Ripple settlement is a foregone conclusion once the discovery process is completed. Pre-trial discovery, which allows both the plaintiff and the defendant to learn more about each other before the trial, is now complete. The company and Ripple Labs are now working together to demonstrate important data and evidence. If this discovery phase is successful, a settlement between XRP and the SEC may be reached. Is expected soon, and he expects that some results will be available even before the discovery phase begins. It's possible that some form of agreement will be reached. Yet, this is a difficult undertaking, as finding the right solution is. The discovery phase is expected to begin around the end of September and persist for several months. The findings from the discovery procedure allow for a month or two more. Over the course of 30 days, judges are expected to provide summary judgments on all of the evidence. By November 16, a summary decision will be issued. The long-term objective is to prolong the judicial proceedings as much as feasible. Ripple would be left on, resulting in a more beneficial settlement for the organization. Legal action would be a stumbling block, but it would have no impact on the organization's strategic goals. Because the security may use particular tokens, make a plan. How would it be affected by manipulation games? Often, opponents would use methods such to provoke Ripple Labs. It was as if dragging a case while neglecting vital information. There would be a lengthy court hearing and questioning if the parties did not reach an agreement. According to recent tweets, the SEC had requested a summary decision, extending the discovery period by 2 months in order to gain access to evidence that might otherwise be unavailable. In the impending Ripple inquiry, this will be critical. They were prolonging the case because no one had been able to put it together until now. It makes no difference to them whether they take longer to finish the case or not, as long as they finish it. Can prolong the proceedings as much as possible. The majority of investors have been waiting a long time for the litigation to be resolved, but this situation is different. Is testing their patience, according to a tweet claiming that the court has issued a ruling. 60-day discovery extension against Ripple XRP, allowing the courts to keep a close eye on the situation. Keeping a careful eye on the wave that the SEC had been warned about earlier, they shifted their focus. They were concerned about a possible assassination because of the Secret Service's constant surveillance. The legal company has no problem with cryptocurrencies, but they solely use them as a means of payment. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is investigating crypto tokens and their functions. Endeavor to control the workings of cryptocurrencies, resulting in safer rules that will benefit the public. To some extent, the crypto community is optimistic about the future. Because it believes in the future of cryptocurrencies, it is trying to regulate cryptocurrency tokens. They have targeted XRP explicitly, and there may be an undiscovered control mechanism. It is possible that this cryptocurrency may have a significant impact on the crypto market in the near future. Other digital assets, besides Ripple, are claimed to be unsuitable for classification as securities. To put it simply, extensive research and analysis show that XRP is not a Ripple. To put it another way, Ripple is decentralizing and advancing in that direction. Despite the ongoing lawsuit, Ripple is thriving thanks to the fact that the SEC is aware of its existence. Has devised strategies to prolong the case in order to cause pain to Ripple's consumers. Hogan. According to his research, the discovery process should be completed by October. After that, on November 16, the court will publish its case summary. However, the SEC's discovery period has already been extended by 2 months, as we all know. For the near end of discovery, the dates have been extended even farther. A pause in. As a result of the case summary, the lawsuit's final outcome will be delayed. While the SEC may pursue the case, it is possible that the parties will reach an agreement. The lawsuit involving Ripple. Despite the fact that the XRP army is pushing for a settlement aggressively, the third-generation crypto coin, which they're bullish about, is nevertheless suffering. The XRP army is working hard to get to the settlement as soon as possible, especially since, with the court-ordered strategies they've enacted, they want the entire market to be dominated by XRP. In accordance with all existing strategic plans, they are putting in every effort. Fans of XRP have opposed the parties' agreement, but they have achieved little success. They're also seeking for celebs like Elon Musk, so they're having some success with their requests. To assist in the settlement, it should be mentioned, however, that the firm is now working. When they are busy achieving on a massive scale despite this, the company is poised to triumph. In a litigation with strong evidence and a good outcome, the SEC prevailed. As a result, people from all walks of life, including investors, community members, and influencers, are vying to be the first to arrive. The SEC and XRP must reach an agreement as soon as possible. This would be quite beneficial. XRP is expected to make rapid and efficient progress along its path. Hopefully, the lawsuit will be dismissed. Finish by the beginning of 2022, ensuring that both Ripple and XRP have a successful start. So, do you believe XRP will prevail in the legal battle? Please keep in mind that cryptocurrency values are volatile. Because things change frequently, it's possible that by the time you watch this video, it'll have changed completely. The material in this video is not intended to be taken as investment advice. You should not treat any financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice as if it were financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, as well as the substance as a whole. This video's content is solely for instructional purposes. As a result, it should not be regarded as financial advice. Make sure you do your homework. Before making any investment decisions, speak with your financial advisor. If you wish to learn more about XRP, we have 2 videos for you on our YouTube channel. To check out, go to the final screen. Please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. My friend, I'll see you in the next video.